stamp your style with a gorgeous rose temporary tattoo. Begin by confirming that your skin is clean and dry. Delicately position the temporary tattoo on your skin, making sure it's level and centered. Apply a soft, consistent pressure using your fingertips. With care, raise a corner of the tattoo to verify its adherence. Once you're sure the tattoo is securely in place, gently peel off the backing with a slow, even motion. Lastly, allow the tattoo to air dry for a few minutes. Refrain from touching it while it sets for optimal fixation.